Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. Yonker. I'm so excited to join you finally in the rest of our learning adventure, and we're going to get to learn lots together because some of the new technology is new to me, and so we're just going to try to work through this. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to explain your packet in Showbie. If you have any other questions, please let me know. But today I'm going to explain the whole week's worth of work on Showbie. So again, if you need further explanation, just type it in your Showbie, ask me a question, and I can either Zoom with you or I can try to answer it in Showbie. So whenever you first get this packet, it's going to just give an introduction page. So don't worry about that page. Go ahead and go to the next page. This one explains all the supplies that you're going to need. And honestly, you probably won't need most of it because it's all on our Showbie. So you won't need crayons and things like that because we have it all on Showbie. This next page is just kind of showing you all the activities that we're going to be doing throughout the whole week. So you can look over it, that's great, and get to look forward to our whole week together, but really you don't need to do anything with that page. Also, there is a parent signature down here at the bottom. I don't have to have that parent signature. If your parents want to sign it, that's okay, but if they don't, that's okay too. On this page, this is important because this is a part of our reading log. So each day, every single day, I want you to read for 15 minutes. Whoops. And so I want you to do your reading log in a couple of ways. There are lots of questions in here that you can answer to write down in your notebook. And remember, when you guys picked up your packets, I said make sure and keep everything in your sacks because you never know what we're going to use. So get out that notebook and answer one or two of these questions after you get done reading a book. Or remember, as good readers, we always ask ourselves these questions anyway as we're reading. And also, you can record your time on Epic. So I have assigned you some AR leveled books on Epic, and I can get on there and see what you've read and how long you've read. So that will count for your AR or for your reading log minutes. So I will keep track of that for you too. So if you answer some of these questions, please be sure you write it down in your notebook. Take a picture of your notebook and upload it onto Showbie. And you can have mom and dad help you with that too if you need to. Also, when you are on Epic, please be sure that you are reading AR leveled books in your level, okay? So let's move on to our next one. These first 3 pages is just a game. If you want to try to recreate that game at home, that's perfectly fine, but I am not requiring anything for that game. It's just kind of a fun idea. This is where our day starts. So this is going to be Monday. So this says my daily news. So I want you to tell me about your day. It can be anything about your day. It can be your schoolwork. It can be your books that you're reading. It can be that you played outside today. It can be that you went with grandma or grandpa today. It doesn't matter. Here are some words over here on the side to kind of maybe try to help you start. Remember, first grade, I want capital letters at the beginning of sentences. I want spaces between words, and I want punctuation marks at the end. Also, remember, I want 5 words or more in each sentence. So make sure that you get all of those done. Also, can I just fit one sentence in here? I think I could probably fit at least 2, maybe 3 sentences. So try to fill up this space. Then you can use whatever colors you want to draw me a picture. Please remember down here, I do want you to use a black pencil. So this is also on Monday, and this is our math assignment for Monday. It says missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers in the chart. So once you're done with those 2 things and your 15 minutes of reading, you are done for the day. Let's look at Tuesdays. we have the same My Daily News chart. So you can go ahead and fill this out for Tuesday. And then we have a math assignment. It's color by number. So you have to solve the problems, the number sentences, and color them. Again, you can use the different colors up here. And usually using the highlighter is a little bit better than actually using the pen. Then you are done for Tuesday after you've done your 15 minutes of reading. This is Wednesday. Again, My Daily News. Tell me something different. Tell me something fun. This is called the farmer's market. Help the farmer record how many vegetables he grew in the table below. First, count how many each of the type of vegetables he has and mark it on the table. Then write it in the number form. Finally, answer the questions. So here are the vegetables that you were supposed to put on the chart. Remember, put your tally marks first, then put the number in digit form. Then answer these questions down below according to the graph that you filled out. Here is Thursday's My Daily News again. And then a picture graph. Favorite ice cream. Read the picture graph to find out how many people like different kinds of ice cream. So use this graph to answer these questions. And then finally, Friday, My Daily News. Reading a map. So here's the map that you're going to have to read to be able to answer these questions. And creative writing. So you have to fill in those sentences, complete the sentences below, and finally, feelings word search, along with your reading log. Now, you can also read on Saturday and Sunday. That's perfectly fine. But I have built in time each day for you to do it, so then you wouldn't have any homework on Friday. Again, if you have any questions on any of these, please feel free to ask me. Good luck and have lots of fun. I'll see you soon.